In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete specific cookies from your Chrome browser. So let's get started. So there's the option here. Normally you can delete all the cookies, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete specific cookies that are related to a one website. So you've got to go to the settings here, go to privacy and security, then go to third-party cookies. Then you got to go see all site data and permissions. You can click on delete all data, but that means it will delete all the cookies from the different websites you have visited. So in order to delete one specific cookie for a website, you can go to here, search, and you can search for example Microsoft, and you'll filter ones that are related to Microsoft. You can even be more specific, Microsoft.com. So these are related to Microsoft.com, and you can delete the display data. So delete these three websites, or you can individually click on this to delete the cookies for that specific website. So these are the ones that you can delete based on the specific website, or you can be more specific and you can delete ones that are related to a specific URL. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.